Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my dog, Gigi. She is a peekapoo. She basically follows my mom everywhere. But today, I guess she's hanging out with me. Look at her. I can smell cigarette smoke right now. There she is. Gigi the peekapoo. And she licks almost everything. Gigi, do you want to give them kisses? Do you want to give them kisses? Yeah? Go ahead. But don't shut off my camera. Go. Give them kisses. Give them kisses, G. Gigi, give them kisses. She's not going to give you kisses, but she did a minute ago. Right, G? Right. Oh, she's a smelly dog. She needs a bath. See? Gigi. G. Hello. Hello. But yep, that's one of my pets I have. The other one is my pet bird. You might not be able to see her. Come on, G. See my pet bird. Can you see her? Come on. There's her cage. Wow. Bird. Gigi and Bird. Her name is Sunshine. My bird is a parakeet. Her name is Sunshine because she is yellow. Oh! Gigi, hello. Hello. I love you too. Yes, I do. Ah. She loves me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye.